Okay, guys, welcome back. It's Thursday. We are doing a live feed. Yesterday I was out. Okay, so today you are looking for the first packet we use. It's to say integer cheat sheet. Please take out that packet and you're going to locate this page. Okay, so I also uploaded these pages onto Google Classroom, and please find this page. Okay, it's the first packet we used. And we're going to take some notes. Remember, the do now is every day. I'll be grading the do nows eventually for an open book quiz. So you follow along, you take notes, and then we go to the live class lesson. Okay, so subtraction integer notes. This worksheet uses subtraction means, add the opposite. Our notes is a keep, change, change. We will always using keep, change, change. So this says subtraction means add the opposite. So change the subtraction sign to an addition sign, then change the second number to its opposite, then follow the rules for adding integers. Okay, so that's one way to do it, or keep, change, change. Let's look at the examples they did before you go on to do the do now. So the original problem was 7 minus 10. I do keep, change, change. Let's see if they did it correctly. So they kept the 7, which is good. They made the minus a plus, which is good, and made the positive a negative. We're going to add an extra note here. 7 plus a negative 10. Our adding integer rules say when they are different signs, this is what you're going to write, different signs equals sub. Now I'm going to write sub instead of subtraction, just a little bit note. So sub means to subtract. So negative 10 minus 7 is 3, and then we circle the larger number, which is a negative, and we get a negative 3. Okay, let's do the next example. So we're going to write keep, change, change. They kept the negative 3, they made that a positive, and they made the 8 a positive. Now we pause. We have a negative 3 and a positive 8. We can write different. We're going to abbreviate it like that, which means subtract. This is a little shortcut we're going to be writing on today's do now to help you memorize the rule. So 8 minus 3 is 5. We circle the positive number. It's a larger number, and it's a positive 5. Okay, so this is just little tricks you can use. Our test is going to be next week, so just keep following along. Let's look at the next one. Now remember, I'm going to pause here. Everything I have written down, you must have written down. I will eventually do an open book quiz, just going through your do nows and just giving you a easy quiz grade. So let's look at the next one. We write keep, change, change. The negative 9 staying, good. They changed the negative to a positive, positive to a negative. Now let's look here, a negative and the negative. So this is same, which tells us to add, but keep sign. A lot of you forgot to keep the sign. Okay, so same, add, keep sign. 9 plus 11 is 20, and the negative, negative, negative. Okay, so this is our do now here, 26 to 33. I will model some with you, and then you are on your own. What I want to see on you do now is this. I want you to write keep, change, change. It could be little, just to know. I keep, I change, I change. Okay, different signs. I'm going to write diff for different, and then sub. You can do like a little arrow. So that's telling you different, subtract. 12 minus 4 is 8, and I circle the larger number, negative 8. Okay, these little notes will help you memorize the rule. Let's try number 30. You can even write, let's write it under, maybe that'll be a little bit easier. Keep, change, change, keep, change, change. Okay, we have plenty of room over here now. They're the same, which means add. So 7 plus 2 is 8, 9, and I keep the negative. So I have my note, I have the right answer, and that's all you're doing. Okay, let's do number 27 together. Keep, change, change, keep, change, change, same equals add, and then 5 plus 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and negative, negative, I keep the sign. So your job right now is to do 28, 29, 31, 32, 33 with notes. Once you hit 33, you're going to stop, and then we will go over the answer. Then we will go to the live class. During this time, I'm taking attendance, checking homework, making sure you have homework copied down in your homework organizer, and then we will go to the live lesson. So the pages we do need today is I wrote page 1 on this worksheet. Okay, then the next one, is page 2. I wrote 2, 3, and 4. Once again, during the live lesson, I'm not always doing all the problems. I'm going to cross them out and skip around. So it's really, really important that you're on Google Meets. So I will take attendance. If you're absent, you're going to get marked absent. Even if you hand in the homework, which is going to be page 3 and 4, but you miss pages 1 and 2, you are not getting full credit for that day. Okay, so make sure you log on when you're supposed to be logging on. Okay, start to do now.